Alright, hi guys, how are y'all doing? This is me fixing my quick attach loader latch on my LS tractor. So why am I doing this? So you have the levers and you pull the lever to take the bucket off, you know, standard lever. So mine broke, and what actually broke on it was the little piece inside that the spring wraps around that allows you to pull the pin up and down. This is essentially what it looked like on both ends, and you know, normally I would think that that's fine, but what I found was this is some pretty soft metal. I went to weld a spot where it broke, and at a pretty low setting it just melted right through this. Measured it, it's 3/8 inch thick metal. I don't know what material or what its composition is, but it's pretty weak. So I just MIG welded this up. I know it's ugly. I'm not a welder, but I can farm weld enough to make it work. So what I find is when you're messing with the pin, that there is a lot of area for movement. So you don't need a small thin side like this for the pin. You do need it on the lever side. It looks like there's some spots where it could get jammed. Maybe you could do the same thing if you rounded it well and it didn't jam up. But anyways, this side seems to be alright. This is the side that snapped, and anyways, I just MIG welded that up. My other side did not break, but I still MIG welded it up because it's pretty close to breaking, and I didn't need it busting on me when I'm in the middle of something. So anyways, this is a video. This is an LS tractor that I have, and this is the loader bracket off. I was going to just buy another bracket, and then when I looked online, couldn't find really much about it, but it doesn't look like they've changed this part, so even the new one's probably going to be junk. So I decided just to weld it and see how well it's going to hold. I've beat on that thing pretty good with a hammer, and it's held up pretty nice. If you get one of these and you take it off, you can tell it's pretty flimsy. I mean, it's still steel, but you can bend it very easy with just a couple hits of a hammer. So I think this weld's going to do quite well. Probably this end will end up breaking next, but anyways, just giving you a quick idea. If you're pulling your quick attach part off of your loader, you have it out and you notice that it's stretching. It was stretched well beyond even what this one is on the other side. The hole was wallowing out, you know, pretty long, so it was like egg shaped. And again, all I did was MIG weld around this to strengthen it up. I had to drill it out again because, again, it's so soft. When I started welding, like I said, I started with a pretty low setting. It still melted just right through the hole, so I had to cut it down pretty low and then just build this thing up. So anyways, ugly, but it should work. Just figured I'd let y'all know.